everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at a piece of code and thought, was this written by a human or an AI? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing tool that answers that exact question. It's called Codespy.ai. Codespy scans your code, detects AI-generated sections, and highlights them so you can instantly see the difference. Whether you're a developer reviewing your own work, a teacher checking student assignments, or just curious about AI detection, this tool makes the process simple and accurate. Getting started is easy. Click the link in the description, sign up with your name, email, and password, answer a few quick questions, and you're ready to go. Once you log in, you'll land on a clean, well-organized dashboard. Right on the home screen, you'll see an overview showing the percentage of AI versus human-written code. There's also an activity tab for your recent scans, and a report section that stores your entire analysis history. Let's see it in action. First, I grab a coding script generated by ChatGPT. In Codespy, I click Create Report, paste the code, choose the programming language, and hit Analyze. Within seconds, the results pop up, showing 98% AI-generated code, clearly highlighted in red. Let's test another AI-generated example. Same steps, same accurate detection. Choose the programming language and hit Analyze. Within seconds, the results pop up, showing 98% AI-generated code. Now for a mixed case. I paste in a script I wrote entirely by hand. The analysis shows 98% human-written, with only a tiny portion flagged as AI. Which could just be common coding patterns. Every result comes with clear visuals, percentages, and highlighted sections so you can quickly review your code. If you want a fast, reliable way to check whether code was AI-written or human-made, give Codespy.ai a try. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. The link's in the description. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.